Match the construction with the image. All right, so we have these three constructions and we have to try to figure out which image it goes with. So the first one is a square inscribed in a circle. So if we look at all of these pictures, we're trying to figure out which one could give us a square inscribed in a circle. And the answer would be this one, because if you think about these as your 4 vertices, then you could draw your square. So this image down here goes with A. That's a square inscribed in a circle. The next one says a hexagon inscribed in a circle. If you watch the other videos, we've already talked about this construction, but you basically just keep going around, you keep on marking. This is going to be kind of a rough sketch, but then you get your 6 vertices, and you can draw your hexagon. Ooh, that's not pretty. You get the idea though. All right, so this one would be B. And then lastly, an equilateral triangle. Well, this one I think should be the easiest to pick out because it already shows us the triangle. So that one is C.